Hello friends, welcome to the channel Excel. Here I am going to show you the basic of Microsoft Excel. First I have opened the Excel and these are the templates where you can work, and if you want any more template then you can just click on this icon more templates. There you will get more template. Now I am just clicking on the blank workbook, and after that clicking on blank workbook, the plain workbook will come. There we can do anything, any work. Now I am clicking this blank workbook. Now I will tell you about these sheets. This sheet is number one. If you want to add more sheets, then you have to you have to click on the plus icon. So see that sheets have been added. After if you don't want to click this plus icon, then you have to do the right click and click on insert. Then also it will insert the sheet. And these are the tabs: home, insert, page layout. For I will tell you about this in the other upcoming videos. Now I will tell you about this. You can see the boxes, and if I want to add a formula, then it is compulsory to press the equal symbol. If I didn't do this equal symbol, then if I put any formula it will not take. Now I will tell you about this home tab. In this tab you can edit, and now I will tell you about the rows and columns. These are the columns A, B, C, D, and 1, 2, 3, 4 are the rows. So if I type anything here, such as if I have to make a table uh, of the student's name and roll number and number. Now I have made and that's it. Table. So if I have to, I want this table. So if you have to select this table, then you have to just press shift, and the if you want to go right, then you have to press the right icon, and if you want to go down, then you have to just uh, press the down button. So you can select the all the table. Now if you want to add borders to this table, then you have to click here. There are many types of border. You can select any of the borders. If you want all borders, then you can click here. And if you want to uh, make the title title of this table bold, then you can press Control plus B, or simply you can click this B icon, so it gets bold. And if you want to color this icon, this table, then you have to just click this. If you want to change the background of this table, this row, then you have to click this icon, fill color icon, where it will fill the backgrounds. of your table. And if you want to change the color of the text, then you have to click here in font color. So it will change the font color of the table.